Here I have Windows 10. We are installing Windows 10 for once more. Wait, yeah, once again. I am not excited for this. So let's take out the lamp. Yeah, even Xbox here. Damn. So it's in. Now we turn on the PC. Well, hello. Then we go into the BIOS. Alright, we're in the BIOS now. So we want this as boot option 1. Let's see if it works then. Yeah, this is going to be a long time. Please remove this media and press any key to reboot. Okay. Oh, we're rebooting, I guess. So wait, did it install Windows? Like that? Oh. Checking media presence. Media presence .pxe over IPv4 on MAC. Yeah, whatever. Right, I'm gonna pause the video until Windows actually shows up, or if anything shows up, to be honest. Because I don't want you guys waiting for this to load so long. So yeah. Yeah, so I've got Windows working. I would just like to say, I would just like to really thank my friend, with helping me get this, because Ubuntu and Windows are just, Jesus Christ, they're hard to have, working together. So yeah, thank you very much to him. And I know I wasn't recording on how to do it. It's because I wasn't calling him, so I clearly couldn't like record at the same time. But I will tell you guys how to do it in a second after Steam decides not to be annoying and like like just stop. Just do this for all current items. Okay. Oh, right, okay. That was easier than expected. So now we're gonna just delete all these shortcuts. Okay. Yeah, so... Yeah, whatever. Like, I just want to delete these, like... Yeah. Just a reminder again. Delete. Why is this is the problem with Windows, okay? Like... Come on. You've got to do this, like... better. And then... Yeah, so I'm just gonna set up Windows, but thing is, I'm kind of excited for it. Not really, but we're back on this adventure, I guess. First, we need to go into the best Chrome installer, Chrome, because yes, Chrome. That's gonna be fun. Chrome. Thank you. Download Google Chrome. Right, so I'm downloading Chrome. Great start. Jesus Christ. Also, I'm gonna check Task Manager just to see if everything's working as it should be. Performance. Right. So we've got our AMD CPU working. Virtualization enabled, because we're gonna be virtualizing on this bad boy, like I've done on what is it called, on Linux. I've already forgotten the name for Linux. I'm sad, man. I'm crying. I'm crying, And then we've got all our disk, blah blah blah. And then we've got our GPU, which is showing up, which is normally, yeah, there we go, GTX 1050 Ti. Yeah, it's actually showing everything. Damn, that's pretty cool. I haven't seen Task Manager for ages. Okay, I haven't seen something similar. accept and install. I haven't seen something similar. Save it. Run. So I haven't seen something like Task Manager for ages because Linux doesn't have something like that. I mean, it has what is it called? Oh, I forgot the name. I'll put it in the description probably, maybe, if I don't forget. But basically, it just allows you to thingy just to. Oh wait, I forgot to use my. God damn it. I forgot. No, I just realized I forgot to save all my Chrome tabs. Damn it. Oh well. We've got 100 and couple of gigabytes of installing games, which is fun. I think it's downloading. Whoa, 5 minutes. That's way more than I want to take because performance. How's Ethernet? Receive. Haha, 53 megabytes. That's not much. So yeah, we're just gonna set up this PC. This will take until tomorrow because yes. But in the meanwhile, I think what I should explain is what to do when you have a similar situation. So, what you want to do is have your... I'm gonna wait, there it is. So, you have two USBs, okay? One is for Ubuntu, which is this one, and the other one's for Windows, okay, which is this one. That's the one I made, you know? So, what you want to do is turn off your PC, put in the Ubuntu one, or whatever Linux distribution you're using. Then, you want to plug this in, turn on your PC, go into the BIOS by smashing delete or whatever key your BIOS manufacturer told you to. And then, when you've done that, you want to go into boot options and then make sure the USB and the UEFI USB is thingy at the very top of the boot order. That means it will boot into this first. When you've done that, it will start prompting you to install it. I mean, it will check the files first, and then it will get you into Ubuntu. Don't click install Ubuntu. Click try Ubuntu or whatever version you're using. I'm saying Ubuntu because I used Ubuntu. And then try Ubuntu. Then go into your applications and go into gparted. Then you want to find the disk that you had that you had your system saved on, and everything else pretty much erase it all. Then you want to delete everything, save it. I mean, yeah, you want to format it. I think, yeah, format it. Yeah, save, and then. Okay, sorry for that. So basically, oh god, I just put on both of those USBs. Okay, so what you want to do then is use gparted and then for delete everything on that disk. Save the changes. Why is my camera not focusing? Save the changes and then quit the try Ubuntu. Then what you want to do is take out the USB, which in this case this. Take out the USB, yoink this bad boy in, and then you want to do the same that you did with this in the BIOS. So go into the BIOS and set all the partitions and the USB first, so it boots up into the USB. Excuse me. Then you go into, then you save and exit, and then Windows should be working. Hopefully. If there's any problems with this, please put it in the comments. And in conclusion, should you use Linux? Absolutely. It's honestly a great OS. But when it comes to gaming, it's a letdown. I mean, it's getting better, to be honest, because as soon as Google downloads, I'm gonna download Steam and maybe show you guys. But it's getting better game compatibility. The only reason is, don't judge me, I wanted to play League of Legends and Minecraft Education Edition. That sounds so weird to say on camera. Damn, I never expected me saying that, but. Basically, it's a great experience, fast. I love the OS. I loved it, yeah. And so, should you escape the claws of Bill Gates? Absolutely, you should. You should always try out a new OS. Also back up your files because, yeah, you might lose them on the way. Like, you might lose them. You should always try out a new OS, even if everyone's like, no, don't do it unless it's of course dangerous. But just try because it's always good to try, because you never know, you might like it. maybe everything you use is compatible with Windows and Linux. So that means all the games, like I did when I started using Linux, all my games were compatible with Linux. And yeah, like I said, you should always try a new OS, because staying on the same OS is boring, and also you might find something that's way more fun and useful for you. Should also you should also, you should also, help out, learn on the OS. You don't just go on the OS and be like, okay, I've got to use the terminal, give up. No, don't do that, because then you're pretty much just showing an example for everyone not to go into another OS. Because, yes, indeed, it is frightening at the beginning, but as you use it more and more, you get used to it, and you just start loving the thing. It's easy to set up. It's less, about privacy, as in they won't ask you about so many privacy things. And then also it's easier to set up virtual machines. It looks better. All that stuff. And also driver compatibility. Oh boy, is it easier. Like, I'm not joking. Like, when you download Ubuntu, all you need to do is all you need to do is just pick the right. Oh, Chrome is here, yay! So, might use translate. So, basically, yeah. It's always good to try. It's always good to try. Really good to try. So, what was I gonna say now? Damn it. Okay, so as I've been really interrupted, we're installing Steam, so, I was saying that, damn. I'm gonna regret rewatching this video, aren't I? Yeah, you should always try it. Run it in a virtual machine if you want to. Yeah. But also, just you've got to move on. You've got to move on. But in conclusion, did I regret it? No, I did not. I absolutely loved Linux. I just wish it was just more game compatibility, but it's not their fault. It's just a big company's fault, because they can't be bothered to make their game on Linux, because like it's just some old blokes just playing with codes wait, just playing with code and actually making people use it, which is honestly great. So you should try it. Honestly, you should try it. Try it. Yeah. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I will definitely not be staying with Windows for the whole of my life. I will definitely move on to Linux as soon as game compatibility is better. But thanks for watching. Make sure to try on a new OS. Sorry, and yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.